Okay, so I took the Kevin's Korean style barbecue chicken and made it like the directions said. Put the sauce on it and everything and cooked it like it said to. And then I got the kelp noodles, which I haven't tried, but I needed to go ahead and use them because they're about to expire. And rinsed them in water. They're pretty crunchy, but I've added them to this mess. And as I cook them, they get soft. And they're kind of like those clear, like, cellophane noodles that you get at Chinese restaurants, see? So, it's almost done. Like, the noodles are actually pretty soft now. So, I'm going to try it, and I will let you know the verdict here. Okay, so, hey, the signal is terrible. Not the signal, the view, because I've got it propped up on my table and stuff. But I made the, this is a kid's bowl, so you can see how small it is. I made the Kevin's Korean style barbecue chicken. I think I don't remember the servings or the package, but it's got like 25 grams of protein and like 5 grams of carbs. So you used to be able to order it online, but you can't anymore because of shipping delays and the products were getting ruined. So you have to get them in stores now. Target carries it, Costco, HEB, but anyway. So what I did is I cooked it like the instructions said, and then I had these, what are they called? They're noodles that were kelp noodles. You take them and rinse them off, and then you put them whatever you want to do, and as you cook them, they get soft. So they're kind of like these, I don't know if you can see, but they're kind of like cellophane noodles, like they're clear. So, I've never made this before. This is the first time I've tried, so we're gonna taste together. And I can honestly say I'm not that picky eater, but if things taste weird, I will definitely let you know. It's pretty hot still because, like I said, I just made it. So, these noodles, I think my mom bought them for me at Whole Foods, maybe, or Costco, or Trader Joe's, or one of those two. But anyway, this is a huge bite, but I'm gonna taste it and I'll let you guys know. If you want some Asian food, definitely try this. The noodles are they're almost like they're a little undercooked. So they're not quite soft as they should be, like if you went to a Chinese restaurant to get them. They kind of have a rubbery consistency, but they don't have any flavor. So they took on the flavor of what I made. So I will definitely be making this again. If y'all need to, I will send y'all or post the pictures of, or a video of what the food is, the packaging, so y'all can see and check it out. All right, thanks guys. Okay, y'all, so this is what's left after that little bit that I ate. I actually didn't finish that bowl, but here's my hand for comparison. It's a pretty big pan. I will probably make this into like 5 meals, maybe. Once it cools down, I'll portion it out and weigh it and everything. This is the Kevin's. Like I said, you can get it at Target, Costco, some HEBs. They have a lot of different flavors, but this one I actually ordered online from their store. But like I said, you can't order from them anymore. And then the, sorry y'all, the noodles I got were these kelp noodles. What does that brand say? The C something. I can't read that. Sea Tangle Noodle Company. They're kelp noodles. Like I said, you just rinse them and then put them in whatever you're wanting to cook. Their serving size is a 1/2 cup, and a 1/2 cup has 3 carbs and no protein. So you're not going to get, there's a 1.5 cups per the container. So you're not going to get that many carbs per, I mean, what is that? 3, and that's 9 carbs for the whole thing. And I'd probably ate a carb and a half, 2 carbs, what I just had. The Kevin's chicken is 3 servings per container, which serving size is 5 ounces. That's 15 ounces. So the whole container has 15 grams of carbs, and whatever 23 times 3 is, what is that, 69 grams of protein. So you're doing pretty good. I mean, like I said, I'll probably make this into 6 meals total. And my mom said she got those kelp noodles at Central Market. So for you Texas people, y'all know what Central Market is. For everyone else, it's like a fancy H-E-B, but you could probably get them at Costco, Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, places like that. So anyway, hope this helped you guys. Thanks so much. Bye.